how to create a TikTok account in 1 minute. So if you want to create a TikTok account, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you've installed it and then go with the login page. Tap on login right here and then go with the bottom which has the sign up section. Now it will take you to the sign up or the create page. Now here you can create an account. So you can just simply go with continue with email or continue with Facebook, or you can also go with continue with Google, which will be easy for you to create. Or you can also use your phone number. So enter your phone number right here and then go with continue and enter your password, and you will receive a verification code. You need to enter the verification code and you'll be able to create your account. Or you can just simply go with continue with email or continue with Facebook or Google, and within a few seconds your account will be created. So go and select an account, your mail account that you would like to use to create your TikTok account. Or you can go with continue with Google, select an account. Once you've selected, enter your date of birth, go with continue, which will be on the bottom, create a nickname, go with continue, and your account will be done. Or you can also go with skip, which will be on the top. And if you go with your profile, as you can see, it has been created. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.